this is Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review this Caran Gouache pan set of dried gouache that has 14 colors. And I just wanted to swatch them with you today. I thought I would swatch them and maybe do a quick little piece of artwork and have you watch me do that. I have been loving gouache in my paintings and in my sketchbook. And I got this because I thought I wanted to try it out and share this with you if you are looking for a portable option for painting with gouache. I mean, the gouache that I love comes in tubes. But, you know, sometimes it's, if you're on the fly and you're taking your gouache and your sketchbooks and your art supplies and traveling, I thought this would be it's a great option to have quick access to some beautiful, vibrant color to use in your sketchbook. So this comes with 14 colors, and the website describes the colors as highly pigmented and concentrated, opaque and transparent. They describe the color as luminous with good light resistance. So it doesn't give us any details about, you know, what that really means. But I think from my perspective, if I'm just going to use this in my sketchbook, I'm probably fine in terms of fading and worrying about long-term light fastness of the paint. And there's also no information about the pigment numbers or values. So if that's important to you, you're not going to get it with this product. But I think it's a good place to start if you are looking for some quick solutions and introductions to gouache. So let's get started, and I'm going to wet these and swatch them. And let me just go through what the colors are first. We have a yellow, we have a lemon yellow, we have this vermilion, we have carmine, we have a purple, we have lilac, this is ultramarine, we have a blue, azure blue, we have a malachite green, we have the green yellow, emerald green, green yellow, ochre, brown, and black, and a tube of white. And it comes with this brush. I think it's probably a simple brush. I don't know the quality of the brush, but it's a great little all-in-one thing. Okay, so let's get started. I'm wetting these to give us the best chance at bringing out some of the pigment. I just have one of my own Princeton round brush. It's a number 6. And I'm just using a handbook sketchbook. And I'll probably speed this up because I don't know if you want to watch me. I'm loving, so far, I am loving that it does come out not as thick as it would out of a tube, but it looks pretty opaque to me, which is nice. So that's the yellow, that's the lemon yellow. Okay, so overall, these are the colors. They look pretty, pretty vibrant, and let's see if I can get you closer to them. And thick. This one's a little more transparent. This light limey green color, which is this yellow green, is a little bit more transparent. But they all, this carmine is a little streaky. But I think overall, if you're working in your sketchbook, these would be pretty great. I also think that there's an opportunity here because they've provided, let's just go like this. I hope you can see this. We've got these beautiful pans here. So these will let you, you know, mix some color so that if, let's say I wanted to, oops, that's a dirty brush. If I wanted to, oh, this is a little trick. Sometimes when you get these metal tins, so you also have this opportunity here with the little metal tins to mix. Now when you get these, see how that's, these tins kind of have a little bit of a finish on them and it makes it hard to mix color. A little trick, let's see if it works, that I heard about was to use a magic eraser just to take some of the finish off of it. And I'm going to do that now to see if I can get it. I've heard that two things, you're kind of scratching it up a little so that the paint will not bead up. I've also heard that toothpaste works. So let's see if my little Mr. Magic eraser works. It's a little better, not that much, but a little bit better. And I think over time, it won't bead up as much. See how it beads up? But you can still mix plenty of colors in here. It's a nice orange. Oh yeah, I think it's getting better. See how it's not beading up so much? You can mix some colors. Sorry, a plane's going overhead. Neutralize. That was a flyover for opening day for the Red Sox. I don't know whether you heard it, but that was opening day for the Red Sox. Yay, go Red Sox. Okay, so back to this. It looks like you have mixing room. We have 14 colors plus the white, which will give you the ability to make lighter colors. We can put a little white here. Let's see what this white is like. Yeah, it's nice. Gives us the ability to add white, make some shades. Okay, so there you have it. Some quick little impromptu flowers just made up on the fly. But you can see that the colors are quite vibrant. They can be opaque, they can be slightly thin. They have that nice chalky gouache feeling. So overall, I think I really will, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this Caran set of dry pans for gouache. So I do hope that this was helpful for you. If you're ever looking at this product and want to know, you know, just what they look like, this is a nice demo, I think, to see how thick the paint is and how vibrant the colors are. So I hope this helped you on your watercolor or gouache journey. And thanks again for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.